In this video, I'll show you 9 beginner tips I wish I knew when I first started playing Task Bar Hero. These tips will help you progress faster, spend your resources wisely, and build a much stronger team from the beginning. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the simplest settings that can save you a lot of time right from the beginning. The first thing you should do is enable auto retry. Just click on this blue orb to turn on the stage failure retry option. When this is enabled, your heroes will automatically attempt a stage again whenever they fail. This saves a lot of time and makes progression much smoother. Now that we've covered a useful setting, let's talk about the heroes you'll be using throughout the game. Task Bar Hero has multiple heroes, including the Ranger, Knight, Sorcerer, and Priest. Your active heroes are displayed in your formation and are the ones currently fighting. Each hero has different strengths, so understanding their roles early will help you build a better team. If you want your heroes to become stronger as quickly as possible, this next tip is extremely important. The Status tab is one of the most important menus in the game. Here you can see your hero's level, experience, stats, and skill points. Every time you level up, you'll earn skill points that can be invested in damage, attack speed, cooldown reduction, and other abilities. Make sure you spend these points regularly because they provide significant power boosts. A lot of beginners overlook this feature, but it can make a huge difference in your overall power. Your heroes become much stronger with equipment. Whenever you obtain better gear, open the equipment menu and equip it in the correct slot. Weapons, armor, gloves, and boots all contribute to your hero's effectiveness, so don't ignore gear upgrades. Once you've got your heroes set up, it's time to start investing your coins wisely. Runes are one of the most valuable investments for new players. I highly recommend purchasing the Rune of Wealth first because it helps improve your income. After that, focus on the Rune of War. These runes provide excellent early game value and help unlock additional progression options. This next upgrade doesn't seem important at first, but it can significantly speed up your progress. One mistake many beginners make is ignoring hero slot upgrades. Certain runes unlock additional deployment slots, allowing you to field more heroes at once. Having extra heroes fighting means faster progression, more damage, and better overall performance. So, I highly recommend buying the Rune of Command, but keep in mind that to unlock a rune, you have to buy its predecessor first. If you're wondering what to do with extra materials and unwanted items, this tip is for you. The cube menu contains 2 very useful systems. Synthesis allows you to combine materials and craft stronger items, or secondary weapons. Alchemy lets you exchange unwanted items for coins. If you're running low on gold, don't forget to convert unused gear through alchemy. Now let's look at one of the main goals that should always guide your progression. The portal shows your stage progression in upcoming regions. Continue pushing stages whenever possible because new areas unlock additional rewards and content. Progressing through portals should always be one of your main goals as a beginner. Finally, let's talk strategy, because the heroes you pair together can have a huge impact on your success. A great beginner strategy is pairing a priest with a damage dealer such as the Ranger. The priest can continuously heal its partner, helping both heroes survive longer and clear tougher stages. Also, if one hero dies, don't hesitate to replace them with another available hero. You can do this by selecting the hero you want to fight, then clicking the deploy button, and selecting the hero you want to replace. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recommendation on which heroes are worth getting first. The Ranger is your starting hero and is solid for early progression. I also recommend purchasing the Knight and Sorcerer when you have enough coins, as both are excellent value. For the Priest, simply install the free DLC through Steam and you'll gain access to one of the most useful support heroes in the game. Those are my 9 beginner tips for Task Bar Hero. If you follow these strategies from the start, you'll level up faster, earn more resources, and build a stronger team much more efficiently.